Welcome to Reviewsinsidetv, where we dive deep into the products that shape our digital lives. Today, we're looking at the TP-Link ER7206 Multi-WAN Professional Wired Gigabit VPN Router, a device aimed at elevating your network capabilities with robust security features and flexible connectivity options. Whether you're a home user looking to optimize your internet connection or a business that needs advanced features, this router has a lot to offer. Stick with me as we break down what it really brings to the table. The TP-Link ER7206 is a professional-grade router designed to provide high-performance networking for users needing a reliable, secure, and flexible system. This router offers a wide range of features, making it ideal for both home office setups and small businesses. At the heart of its functionality are its 4 Gigabit Ethernet ports, which include 1 Gigabit SFP WAN port, 1 standard Gigabit WAN port, and 2 additional Gigabit WAN LAN ports, with a final Gigabit LAN port. This allows for a highly flexible and scalable setup, as you can optimize bandwidth usage by utilizing multiple WAN ports for load balancing. Now let's talk about what really sets the TP-Link ER7206 apart: its ability to handle up to 150,000 associated client devices and 700 simultaneous clients. That's a huge number when you think about it, and it means this router is built to handle larger networks with ease. Whether you're running a busy office or a complex smart home, the ER7206 has the power to ensure your devices stay connected without a hiccup. On top of the impressive network capacity, the ER7206 is integrated with Omada SDN, software-defined networking technology, which allows for centralized management of all your networking devices through one interface. Whether you're using the Omada hardware controller, software controller, or even the cloud-based controller, for which you'll need to contact TP-Link for details, managing your network is a breeze. This is an incredible feature for those managing multiple sites or wanting the flexibility to access their network remotely from anywhere. Speaking of cloud access, TP-Link also includes the ability to remotely manage the ER7206 via the Omada app. With cloud-based control, users can seamlessly monitor and adjust their network settings on the go, adding a level of convenience that makes this router stand out in its category. But it's not all about convenience and capacity. Security is a big part of this router's design. The TP-Link ER7206 comes with a robust set of security features, including an advanced SPI, stateful packet inspection, firewall, DOS, denial of service defense, and IP/MAC URL filtering. These features work together to ensure your network is secure from potential threats, making it an ideal choice for anyone concerned with keeping their data safe. Plus, it includes speed testing tools to make sure your connection is performing as it should. As for VPN support, the TP-Link ER7206 offers extensive options. It can handle up to 100 LAN-to-LAN IPsec VPN connections, 50 OpenVPN connections, 50 L2TP VPN connections, and 50 PPTP VPN connections. For anyone needing to establish secure private networks between multiple sites or users, this router provides plenty of capacity to support those demands. Now that we've broken down the features, let's talk about real-world testing. I used this router in a home office environment with a handful of devices connected: laptops, smartphones, tablets, and smart home devices. Setting it up was surprisingly simple. The web interface was intuitive, and the cloud-based management option was straightforward to configure. I was particularly impressed with the load balancing capabilities. With multiple WAN connections available, I could ensure that heavy traffic from one device didn't slow down the entire network. I ran several tests where I streamed 4K videos, played online games, and conducted video calls simultaneously, and I never noticed any performance dips. The only time I ran into any hiccups was when I tried to connect more than 10 devices at once, and even then, the connection remained stable, but the speeds did start to slow down a bit. This is likely a factor of pushing the router's limits, and for most users, 700 clients is more than sufficient for daily use. Looking at the pros and cons, there's a lot to like about this router. First, the build quality is solid, and it's clear that TP-Link has designed this with both performance and durability in mind. The flexibility of multiple WAN ports is a game changer, especially for businesses or power users who need that extra bandwidth. The Omada SDN integration is a standout feature, allowing you to control your entire network from anywhere. And the security options, especially the firewall and VPN support, are robust enough to keep your data safe. On the downside, the router is a bit overkill for small households or casual users who don't need the advanced features. The number of client devices it supports and the extensive VPN capacity are geared more toward business or tech-savvy users. Additionally, while the setup is straightforward, understanding the full capabilities of SDN and managing it effectively requires a bit of learning. For the average user who simply wants a plug-and-play router, this might feel overwhelming. In terms of value for money, the TP-Link ER7206 is positioned as a high-end router, and its price reflects that. However, for what you're getting in terms of security, flexibility, and performance, it justifies the cost. It outperforms many of the cheaper routers in its category, particularly when it comes to handling larger networks and providing remote management options. Compared to other routers in the same price range, like the Ubiquiti Edge Router series, the ER7206 offers more VPN capacity and a simpler interface, though the Ubiquiti options may be a better fit for advanced network administrators. When comparing it to other options in the market, such as the Cisco RV340 or the Netgear Nighthawk Pro, the TP-Link ER7206 offers superior security features, more flexible WAN configurations, and greater cloud management options. If you're looking for a router that can scale with your growing needs, particularly in a professional or high-demand setting, the ER7206 stands out. As for build quality and longevity, TP-Link is known for producing durable networking equipment, and the ER7206 is no exception. With its solid construction and enterprise-grade components, it should easily last for years if well-maintained. Long-term reliability data is still pending, but based on TP-Link's reputation, I'm confident in its overall durability. There wasn't much need for customer support during my testing, but TP-Link generally has a reputation for solid customer service with quick response times, should you need any assistance. The final verdict is clear. The TP-Link ER7206 Multi-WAN VPN router is a powerhouse designed for those who need serious network capacity, security, and flexibility. It's ideal for businesses, remote offices, or tech enthusiasts looking to manage a large network with advanced features. For home users or casual internet surfers, however, this might be more than you need. But if you're in the market for a router that can handle everything from 4K streaming to secure remote connections, the TP-Link ER7206 is a strong contender. Thanks for watching. If you have any thoughts or questions about this product, feel free to leave them in the comments. And don't forget, the link to grab your own TP-Link ER7206 can be found in the comments below. Until next time, stay connected and stay secure with Reviews Inside TV.